Do subscribe to MJTube and hit on bell icon for latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video, I'll show you how to fix phone lagging issue in your Android phone. So you can make your phone faster. So just follow this step. So you need to go to your phone setting, find the developer option. If you don't find the developer option in your setting, then find the build number. So you need to tap 7 times on the build number like this, and you will redirect to developer option. So come back and open the developer option. Under the developer option, you need to turn off some options. Okay, this one, window animation, turn off it. Okay, turn off transition animation, turn off. Okay, and also turn off this one, animator. Okay, the thing is turn off. Now scroll down and turn on force GPU rendering. So turn on this option. Okay, and after this you need to turn on one more thing like force 4x MSAA. So you need to turn on these options. Okay, after this reboot your phone, and it will definitely improve your phone performance and less lagging. After this, you need to download one app like Clean Master and clean all your junk and unwanted files or temporary files from your phone. So you can use other junk file cleaner, but this Clean Master is working fine. So okay, you can use this to clean unwanted and boost your phone. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now you can notice your phone will work little faster, not double faster. I can say it's not improve your double faster, but this will improve your phone performance. Okay, yeah, so that's it. This is a short video, a basic video. So thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much guys.